Hey everyone, and welcome to another paint pouring video. Today's video is yet another flip and drag. This time it's on a teal, kind of pearlized teal background. And I was trying to go for like these Halloween type colors. But I think that the teal background kind of made it not Halloween-like, so I'm going to do another painting right after I finish editing this video and try and get it up before the end of the day, just so, you know, it makes sense to have a Halloween themed painting up on Halloween day rather than the day after Halloween. Anyways, I can't seem to get enough of these flip and drags right now. I was feeling rather deprived for that couple of weeks where I wasn't able to do them, so I'm likely going to be doing a bunch more of these until I get tired of it. So bear with me. So getting back to my color choices, I think that aside from the teal background, the amount of purple and pink that I put into this painting kind of took away from the overall Halloween-y effect. I couldn't help myself with the purple. I just love that golden fluid purple paint right now. I just can't get enough of it. But I think if I put more orange and green into the painting, it'll probably end up looking a lot more Halloween-like. But also I think that background really made it a non-Halloween painting. Speaking of which, it dried really funny, that teal color. Kind of uneven, and also I could almost see like a white shining through in parts. So I think that the next time I use this teal color as a background, I'm actually going to have to paint the canvas first teal and then do my pour on top of that, just to try and get it to dry a little bit more even. I mean, I think today I'm actually going to have to go over the background a little bit and kind of repaint some areas, try and get it a little bit more even. Anyways, so I was trying to get splash on these little cups. I didn't do a really good job this time around, but I think that the amount of room that I had to play around with the colors was actually really great. It turns out practicing some restraint with the amount of color that you're putting on negative space pours is a really good thing, because you can make really interesting shapes. This is the first time that I have actually really seen something right off the bat when I've been doing a pour. I thought that it really looks like this woman with this super long scarf and crazy hair and a big cloak, and she's in this windstorm, and everything is being blown about, which is pretty funny, because yesterday while I was doing this painting, we had this super crazy windstorm here in Montreal. I mean, 70 plus kilometer-an-hour winds. All the windows and the doors were rattling. A lot of the city lost power. I think the Prime Minister in Ottawa actually had to go to work in an ATV or something like that, because there was flooding. It was just a crazy day weather-wise yesterday. So I thought that was pretty amusing that I subconsciously made this woman being blown about in the wind. I don't know if it proves the theory that whatever is happening in my life is reflected in my work, or whether or not that's just a bunch of baloney, and that was just a really big coincidence. But either way, it was pretty funny that I came up with this woman. So anyways, that's about it. Here's a close-up of my cells. I hope that you enjoyed my video. If you did, remember to hit like and make sure you've subscribed to my channel. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day. Goodbye.